Music of
No, sir. No, sir.
good. You don't tell the answers, only this boy. So tell by color of this ball or object.
Yellow.
You take any one.
Red.
Is going to identify the object by getting the smell. Each and every smell, each and every color giving different type of a smells based on the chemical components which are present here. You don't tell the answer. So what is this one?
Onion.
Super, claps. So he can recognize the object by scanning and by smelling the object. Scanning and smelling. Sir, please, anyone pick up one card. Don't tell the answer. See, I am not giving to this. Just you can, just by smelling and sensation, we can find out the object. I am not giving to you hand. Okay? Tell. He is getting smell from the object. What is the answer?
Mango.
It's amazing. Got the point? Yes, see. Boy, one person is standing in front of you. Okay? So can you find out the which color dress?
Red.
So anybody come on the stage, come on the stage by your volunteer? Anyone, no problem. Select one. Just you select and give. You stand. So she selected this number and this color. You can imagine that he will find out or not.
Green color. 7.
So not only this, once you have to see, don't tell how much rupees that is.
Wow.
Amazing.
₹100. Wow, what a talent.
Very good. The last ones you can check. One more important thing, the numbers are there which is printed on the rupees. You can find out that numbers also, digits also. Yes. N, very good. Yes. 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 Very good. Claps all of you. So very good point. God bless you. Thank you. Anything else? Okay.